Today, I am reviewing the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are taking a close look at a kitchen appliance that has achieved absolute legendary status for dessert lovers. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the Cuisinart 1.5 Quart Ice Cream, Sorbet, and Frozen Yogurt Maker, model number ICE-21P1, in its classic white finish. If you have ever wanted to make fresh, premium, restaurant-quality ice cream right in the comfort of your own kitchen without any artificial preservatives, you will want to listen closely. Cuisinart has designed a machine that promises to deliver delicious frozen treats in 20 minutes or less. Let us break down how this little powerhouse works, how easy it is to use, and why it completely beats buying pints from the grocery store. Let us kick things off with the clever engineering that makes this machine so incredibly fast and efficient. Traditional old-school ice cream makers required you to mess around with layers of crushed ice and rock salt, which was noisy, messy, and took forever. Cuisinart completely eliminates that hassle by using a double-insulated freezer bowl. Inside the walls of this heavy-duty bowl is a specialized cooling liquid. You simply pop the bowl into your home freezer for about 16 to 24 hours beforehand. Once it is completely frozen, the bowl itself acts as the cooling source. This completely removes the need for external ice, keeping your kitchen counter clean, dry, and clutter-free. Once your bowl is frozen and ready, the operational magic happens thanks to a uniquely designed mixing paddle. In a lot of high-end ice cream machines, the paddle spins inside a stationary bowl. Cuisinart actually flips this concept on its head. In this machine, the heavy-duty electric motor spins the freezer bowl itself, while the mixing paddle stays fixed in place. As the liquid base rotates against the freezing cold walls of the bowl, the stationary paddle continuously scrapes the freezing mixture away, folding air into it, and creating a beautifully smooth, aerated, and creamy texture. This innovative process speeds up the freezing time dramatically, allowing you to go from a liquid base to thick, soft-serve style ice cream or frozen yogurt in less than 20 minutes. When it comes to capacity, this model hits the absolute sweet spot for families and small gatherings. It is capable of producing up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite frozen treats in a single batch. That is roughly equivalent to 3 standard commercial pints of ice cream, giving you plenty to share during a family movie night, a backyard barbecue, or a birthday party. The user experience is incredibly straightforward, even if you are a complete beginner in the kitchen. The unit features an easy-lock transparent lid. Because the lid is completely clear, you can watch the entire churning process happen right before your eyes, which is incredibly fun for kids and adults alike. Built right into the top of the lid is a large, wide-mouth ingredient spout. This spout makes it completely simple and mess-free to pour in your liquid base. More importantly, it allows you to easily add mix-ins, like chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh fruit puree, or chopped nuts, during the final 5 minutes of the churning process without having to turn the machine off or take the lid apart. Maintenance and safety are also major strong points for this appliance. The entire machine is built using premium, BPA-free materials, ensuring that your homemade desserts remain completely healthy and safe for your family. Cleanup is quick and painless, as the mixing paddle and the transparent lid can be easily washed by hand with warm, soapy water. To top it all off, Cuisinart backs this machine with a generous limited 3-year warranty, which is vastly superior to the standard 1-year warranty found on most kitchen gadgets. This gives you long-term peace of mind that the motor is built to handle summer after summer of heavy use. To wrap it all up, the Cuisinart 1.5 Quart Ice Cream Maker is an absolute must-have appliance for any home. By combining a highly efficient double-insulated freezer bowl with a fast-acting churning paddle, it turns simple ingredients into spectacular frozen desserts in just 20 minutes. It is intuitive to operate, incredibly easy to clean, and backed by a fantastic 3-year warranty. Whether you want to experiment with unique flavor combinations, control your sugar intake, or whip up healthy dairy-free sorbets, this machine is a phenomenal investment that will bring endless joy to your kitchen.